better be careful. They wake up with quite an appetite.
I would hate to take a bubble bath with them.
Clever little fellas, ain't they?
Yeah, real bubble brains. You're sure you've never seen a little drop with a beautiful girl inside it? With long blonde hair. And her face, she had these eyes, kind of cat-like. You know what I mean?
Cat-like, eh? You mean like you? Poor girl. Nope, haven't seen her. Now, come on.
Watch.
Yuck! Where are we? New Jersey? How do we get across this?
You talk real funny, Sonny.